Hello everyone, I am Walt. Here we are with part 25 of 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. Today we were talking about junk. Not just stuff and junk there, Fry and Amy on Futurama. But today really we were rather talking about clearing out your junk. Now, I think that everybody has heard of the whole, art of decluttering thing. That was a whole phase for everybody to get through that whole kind of thing, the Marie Kondo, act of decluttering kind of material. I mean, if you want to check all of that kind of stuff, you're certainly welcome to. I'm not going to stop you. But basically, I would say that it's up to you about clearing out your junk. I think that people are a little too self-conscious and a little too caught up with the fact that they're making a mess, because when they feel bad about, oh, I feel so guilty and bad about how bad my house looks, then that will actually reinforce that behavior. It will be something where you're just telling your subconscious mind basically, oh, you want me to, be messy. You want me to have a mess around the house. When instead you want to hit it with a lot of positivity. You want to go after it like, you know what, I can clean just the dishes today and that'll be better. Or I'll clean this one dish today. Because you want to start off your habits of decluttering slowly, okay? A lot of people dive into it like, I'm going to clean my whole house. And then 2 hours later, they never want to clean anything again because they only cleaned 5 feet and they're like, oh, this was so exhausting, I can't do this. Okay, the thing is you want to start small on your cleaning, okay? Start with small things and don't clean what you don't have to clean, okay? It doesn't need to look like a house on TV. It doesn't need to look like this, okay? Wherever you live is where you live. And if your house is all pristine all the time, you ain't living in it right, okay? This is what I always think when people are like, oh no, I spilled pomegranate juice on the couch, or oh no, I spilled this over here. The thing is, if you don't spill stuff on your furniture, you ain't using it right, okay? You're supposed to be comfy and you're gonna spill stuff, and that's gonna happen. Deal with it, okay? If you're gonna live somewhere, you gotta understand that you're gonna make a mess sometimes, and that's okay. And on top of that, you can get rid of your junk if you have the right attitude about it. You gotta be not too attached to it and not too afraid of the process of cleaning it. You just gotta be like, you know what, I can get rid of this one item, this 2 item kind of stuff. Now, if you have a hoarding disorder, this is an obsessive compulsive disorder. It is a mental problem that a lot of people deal with, and this is something that, is a big deal. I mean, 25% of all fires that are put out in the United States are caused by people's homes that are, full of hoarding kind of stuff. So people have hoarding disorders. It can be a problem. It, is a mental thing. So getting help on that is always a good idea. But otherwise, a lot of us just have extra junk, and that's fine. Okay, don't worry about it too much. As long as you can use your stuff, that's fine. And if you feel like your junk's holding you back, get rid of what you don't need. You can use the Marie Kondo process. I'll even give you guys a link in the description on the Amazon product for that and stuff like that. So anyway, check that out if you want to declutter, but otherwise, I mean, it's up to you what you want to do there. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.